Hello everyone, I'm Dave Bowman, and this is Tsunami. It's a custom-built airplane designed to challenge the 9.22-mile course at speeds over 450 miles an hour. The pilot, Steve Hinton, is a two-time Reno Air Race winner, and the owner, John Sandberg, is a man with a dream and the subject of this week's Hidden Heroes.
John R. Sandberg was born in Minneapolis, Minnesota in 1931. Sandberg's early passion was for speed. In the 1950s, he channeled that energy into race cars, helping to establish the National Drag Racing Association. His mechanical skills and discipline grew further during his military service as an Air Force mechanic, a foundation that would later define his remarkable career in aviation. After turning his attention skyward, Sandberg became an accomplished pilot, building and flying numerous Stearman trainers, warbirds, and general aviation aircraft. His mechanical expertise led him to open a machine shop where he restored high-performance big iron engines for air racers across the country. His contributions and generosity made him one of the largest donors to the Commemorative Air Force. In 1960, Sandberg and his brother discovered an abandoned F-6F Hellcat near Fergus Falls. They ferried it to Crystal Airport, restored it, and even after an engine failure forced a field landing, rebuilt it once again. The brothers later donated the aircraft to the Commemorative Air Force, where it remains preserved in Harlingen, Texas. Sandberg's passion for high-performance aircraft continued with the acquisition of a P-63 King Cobra, which he rebuilt through his company, Metma Inc., later JRS Enterprises, for air racing. Though a takeoff mishap at Crystal Airport destroyed the aircraft, he emerged uninjured and undeterred. In 1979, Sandberg set out to create a purpose-built racing airplane capable of breaking national speed records. The result was Tsunami, completed after 9 years of work. Designed for speed and precision, Tsunami competed at the Reno Air Races and participated in the fastest unlimited gold race in history, averaging more than 480 miles an hour. John Sandberg remains a legend in the air racing world as a master mechanic, visionary builder, and fearless pilot whose shop powered many of the great racing engines of his era.